hope there are a lot of brown girls watching this right now who are looking for nudes to work with their skin tone, because honey, let me tell you, this liquid lipstick is Hey bunnies, for today's video we're going to be doing a review on these liquid lipsticks from Ruby Cosmetics. They are called the Forever Matte Lipstick. They kind of remind me of the Kylie Jenner lipstick based on the the drippy design that's at the top right here. And I can't compare it to the Kylie Jenner lipstick because I don't own any of those. The first thing I want to mention, other than the packaging, how it looks similar to that, is that it's really it's gorgeous. The colors that they use in comparison to the ones they had before, the liquid lips they had before, this packaging looks way better. You can actually see the color off the lipstick, whereas the other one, the tube was the color. And then I already opened, I think, 2 of them. Which one is this? This is I'm Chic. I haven't tried this one as yet, but it's a doe foot applicator and it goes on really smooth. The other liquid lipstick, it applied really thick and creamy. This one goes on and it dries instantly. The one that I was wearing all day today is this one here. It's called Aged Rose. I only picked up 3 of the lipsticks. They have like a whole bunch, but I only got 3 because I'm into like nudes now, so I wanted to get some that were nudier and complimentary to my skin tone. So the 3 that I have: Aged Rose, Chuckle Craze, and I'm Chic. Chuckle Craze is like a dark brown, which brown looks amazing on us brown girls, so I had to get one of those. The Aged Rose has like a purple undertone, and then the I'm Chic is a brownie nudie color. I think like a brown girl nude. As far as the smell goes, you can tell like maybe they were trying to give it like a bubblegummy scent, but it's just not coming across like that at all. It's like you get a little hint of a bubblegum smell, but other than that, it's not the best smelling thing in the world. But once it's on your lips, you don't smell it at all. Again, it goes on really quickly. I did wear mine, have it on for like 5 hours straight, and that included drinking and eating and licking my lips throughout the day, because it does really dry your lips. So you probably want to put like a lip balm underneath it first, or you want to like exfoliate your lips beforehand before, you know, applying these. Let's go into the swatches. Now I'm gonna do a swatch on my hand so you can see what it looks like on my hand. Again, this is Aged Rose, a doe foot applicator, and that is how. That's just one application, and we're gonna go into it one more time. Second swipe. I keep going over it, and that's probably why it's like coming off. But I'm gonna go a 3rd time. That's it there. I want to say it's like a medium to full cover, like a medium cover, not really a full cover. So you do have to put it on, apply it a couple times. And I do have some Aged Rose still on my lips, like, because I literally just finished eating too. So this is what, you know, I have left from the Aged Rose, but we're gonna apply that. And I did get a lot of compliments on this color while I was out and about, and I really love it. Like I said, it has like a purple undertone. And I just do one dip for each section of my lip. And then of course, the more you go over it, you know, the more it comes off, but whatever. And then the applicator, it just hugs your lip so nicely. I'm gonna put one more. I'm gonna make this one heavy. Now I will say, when you dip, you don't get a lot on the brush itself. I mean, on the applicator itself. And then you see, look at my bottom lip, it's like already dry. okay? And that is Aged Rose. Absolutely love it. Again, it does have like a purple undertone to it. I think it's absolutely a gorgeous color, a gorgeous nude for us brown girls. And yeah, so that is Aged Rose. That's the swatch right there. You see, oh, it's like already dry on this side. That's the last. Yeah, so the more you put on there, the longer it will take to dry. But when you do that one swipe, honey, you're good to go. The next one we're gonna try is the Chuckle Craze. Now, to get off the one that I just had on, I had to literally get coconut oil and a thick paper towel and scrub my lips. That junk would not come off. All right, so be forewarned that if this thing doesn't want to come off, it's not gonna come off. The Chuckle Craze. It is a chocolate brown. Again, the same doe foot application. Oh, that is pretty. Now that is some coverage. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. 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 So coverage clearly depends on the color that you get, because this Chuckle Craze, honey, look at that, so smooth. Freaking gorgeous. Now this is a brown. There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah. So yes, kids, if you want the brownest liquid lipstick ever, like literally in the entire world, this is what you need to get. This is so chocolatey. Oh my goodness, look at that brown skin come through. Ooh. If I look crazy, it's because I went over my natural lining of my lips. So yeah, I love this. And look how quickly it's drying. Like, it's literally drying in real time. Get into that. Get into freaking OMG. I think I'm gonna put like a little bit more like right here. Do you see it right there? Right there. Ooh. Are you seeing this? Honey. Honey. Oh. This is freaking gorgeous. For $2, bro, that shit, I gotta take a picture in this. I'm sorry, like this color, this brown, oh my gosh, I hope there are a lot of brown girls watching this right now who are looking for nudes to work with their skin tone, because honey, let me tell you, this liquid lipstick is okay. So the last one we're gonna swatch is called I'm Chic. Now, the one I tried previously, the Chuckle Craze, fave so far. That one, and tell me, I had to fight to get that thing off. Like, I had to go and touch up my foundation around my mouth because I was scrubbing so hard with that coconut oil. Oh my gosh. All right, so here's I'm Chic. Another brown, more nudie. Can't even see my own swatch. That's crazy. Let me do it this way. Oh, that is pretty. It's like a It's like I want to say a latte color, but that's it there. Let's see how she dries. It's really pretty. I'm happy with the three that I picked out. That's like a purpley pinky. Yeah, purpley pinky nude. That's a true brown if there ever was a true brown, okay? And then I'm Chic, which is a nice little caramel latte, a little cafe latte color. Je know, yeah. Okay, so let's try this on my lips and see how I like it. But that true brown, how about true brown? Kylie, coming for you, Kylie. Ooh. Again, better coverage than Age Rose, and as you can see, I'm like going over the same spot more than once, and it's like still covered. Better than Age Rose, so there's that. Okay, now this is a nude. This is a nude. If there was ever a nude, this would be it. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back, girl. Let me. So like I said, moisturize your lips before you put it on, because in comparison to the Aged Rose not having anything on my lips, and then having the coconut oil on there, then putting like this and the brown one on, it feels a lot better. So definitely moisturize, whether that's with your chapstick, your Carmex, your Nivea, whatever it's called. That's the one that I have. I really like that one. That one or Carmex is really good. This is really pretty as well. I'm very happy with these choices that I made today. So yeah, this is the I'm Chic, which is I think a very appropriate name. This is a very bougie color in my opinion. I feel like this is what you'd wear. Those girls who are like, okay, don't talk to me. Obviously, I'm better than you. Can't you tell? Yeah, I really, 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 really like this color. It's very pretty. So in order of greatness, of course, the Chuckle Craze is my #1 fave, and then the I'm Chic, and then the Age Rose. The Age Rose is very pretty. Here's all three dried. The Age Rose is very, very pretty, but of the three that I picked, that Chuckle Craze cannot be beat. It's super gorgeous. And then the I'm Chic, okay, followed by the Age Rose, of course. What I will say about the Chuckle Craze, I think because it's so pigmented, you have to wait a while before you start talking, licking your lips, drinking, whatever it is. You have to really let it dry, because that color will like not stay on there. Like, look how quick that dried. Look at that. Nothing on my teeth. Like, the color is still there on the lighter part of my lip where I always, you know, do that. So yeah, this one might be the new fave. This one might be no, it's definitely the Chuckle Craze. That chocolate was popping. That brown, if there ever was a true brown cake, it would be the Chuckle Craze. Okay, again, these are from my local beauty supply store. They cost $1.99. The smell, it's bearable. It's not the best smelling thing in the world, but it's not the worst smelling thing in the world, okay? If it smelled horrible, I would not be putting it on my lips. They do have testers. If you go to the local beauty supply store and they have these, they do have testers. So make sure that you test the colors for yourself to see how much you like them. But this is what these three look like on me. I may or may not get some more, because they do have like they have black, they had a navy blue, they have like the really, really, really nudie nudes for my lighter complexion girls. So if you want to see how that looks on me, just let me know in the comment section below. They're not something that I would usually wear, because I do have two really light nudes from their matte lipstick line, the regular lipstick, and I usually wear those with a medium brown pencil just to kind of give it like an ombre lip, but just to warm it up some so that it suits my skin tone better. You feel me? But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I didn't mention, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.
I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it.